Hey guys, Yuki here with Suki in the background. I was going to say off camera, but technically I'm off camera. Today, no, you did not make it. Frame ends like here. There you go. Oh gosh, don't die. So this is Suki's laptop. Let's show you the people all your cool stickers. This is Suki's laptop. It's an HP.
Pavilion. That's all I know.
My dog is barking. You can handle that. But we've had a problem that we have encountered, that her motherboard has fried. Yeah. Not the greatest thing in the world. Something you never want to happen. But what we've done is remove the battery and bought one of these. This is from Insignia, I think it was. Yeah. Insignia, let's go ahead and pop it open. Here it is, Insignia little device here that will basically turn a hard drive into an external hard drive. And that's what we're doing today. So, let's just go ahead and open this up, even though we are far from having this step. But let's go ahead and take a look inside of here. It is USB 3.0. It actually looks like my mom's phone charger. Suki's back after getting Stormy calmed down. Okay, so here's where the hard drive will go. And we made sure we got the laptop version. And here is the connector for the hard drive. So now we need to pop this baby open. And this is my first time ever opening up a laptop. Hey Suki.
Try those holes. Those weren't there before.
These holes?
Yeah.
What do you mean they weren't there before?
I think they were like this.
Oh. So, honey.
Yeah.
Your motherboard's fried.
Yes.
So I can't break it any further, right? I was going to have my friend Sam do this. But he was like, oh no, you just unscrew it and then you just put the thing inside of the thing and then clip it in and just don't mess it up. It's like, well, that's what I'm afraid of. But you know what? We're doing this. I took the battery out, mostly because, first off, it exposed a screw that I might have to unscrew. But I don't want to die. So I feel like that's a good idea. Yeah.
Last night the other night I had a dream.
If it's that I died doing this, then shut up.
No. We tried to turn it on, and it came on, like before we did all this.
Oh, no, don't even say stupid things like that. You just spent, by the way, if you want one of these, which I don't know how well it's going to work, it should work fine, but they're $30 from Best Buy. Okay, so they're all unscrewed. Alright. I guess I'll unscrew this next. Unscrew all the things. Well, nothing's separating yet. Go on YouTube and look up how to take apart a laptop.
That's what I'm doing.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Because that's a good idea. He obviously took this apart. Right? Mine don't do that! After a few videos.
I don't think those come out. No, he pulled the keyboard out.
Yeah, but the keyboard doesn't have a line around it. Post your comments below about how in the world to do this. Okay, so after looking at YouTube videos, because, you know, the video Google, we learned that there were more screws. Hidden screws. Wait, do you think there's screws under here? Keep watching the videos, okay? Oh, these are in tight. Okay. Oh, there we go. This is progress.
Okay.
Yeah!
Now he's just popping up the...
Oh snap, more screws.
Oh my gosh. Do I still need to keep watching?
Nah. So once you get to this part where you have a million stinking screws out, you might consider putting them into something so that you don't lose all your screws. Oh well.
No, it's my baby.
Is it connected?
Yeah.
Poop, why is it connected? Why is it connected? Okay, so check it out. But
Be gentle.
check it out. We're still connected. Okay, so here's what we're after right here. That's
He's telling us.
okay. So there we go. We finally have the keyboard off. Had to undo the little ribbons on the back. And now this is over here. So here's what we're after. Here's what we're after. So,
Show us the motherboard.
huh? Which one do you think is this motherboard?
The big one?
Yeah. The only thing that is a board.
It's not black from being fried.
No. Here's your fan.
Where can you see damage?
I don't know. We're going to lift this off. This is your ports over here, your USB and your headphone jack.
Oh, his is blue.
There we go. Okay, so now that you have your hard drive unplugged, this is not a tutorial video. I'll tell you that much. This is a day in the life. Okay, here we go. Please fit. Yes! Okay. Hand me the other part, hand me the other part.
This?
Yes. Where'd the screwdriver go? There. Okay, and now let's screw this back on. Here it is. This is Suki's laptop. Everything that was on Suki's laptop is now right here in my hand. Thank you for watching, guys. And that's what you do to a laptop when it dies. Because replacing the motherboard was going to be like, what, $300?
$350.
$350 and then $60 for labor. And that's ridiculous. So yeah, we're going to go try it out now. Bye.